discount code JACOBVILE when you shop. Nice. Oh, you did a lot of cabin work, I can see. Nice.
A lot. Still blowing windshields.
Really? Man.
Busted it.
Even with the bracings.
Yeah.
Wow.
Busted it yesterday. No, not yesterday. Thursday. And got one put in yesterday morning and drove up here.
Wow. So,
Yeah.
have you learned what's causing, like, what do you do in the cabin to make it break?
40 and above.
Okay.
That's what does it.
Got it.
This more is the salty Denali. I got 8 NSV 515s on 2 salt 12Ks, wired at 0.5 ohms. We clamped over 20K per amp over like 2 or 3 weeks ago when it was a 6-liter with 615s, and we wired it down to 0.5 now. It was 1.13. So it may clamp more if it's not rising too much.
Got it.
We were only rising 1.4 before.
Okay. Very nice. And this is like a 4th order. Okay.
Yeah, it's a 4th order.
Nice.
Angled 7 degrees.
7 degrees. Looks good. Have you? Are you able to mount them regular, or only invert, or is there a reason?
Not in this box because there's not enough room.
Got it.
You see half the basket.
Yep. I like you got a little offset B pillar, a little more room too.
Yeah.
Looks good.
I had to have room. It's a daily.
Yes. Really?
I drive it every day.
Dude, you're doing it. You're on a 160 dB music plus on. Wow. Yeah. So what was your best score you got out of it, like kick or sealed or anything?
Kick, outlaw, door open, 47 hertz. It busted it at 163.7. It was still climbing.
Oh my goodness!
And it just completely busted it out, and it was disconnected up here.
Yeah. Wow. That's crazy.
I got 140 amp hours of EH5 and 2 350 amp alts, and I also still got my factory alt.
Okay. Yeah, for the drive, for the system.
For the regular everything.
Wow, and you're able to move this if you need.
Yeah. I busted the actual console out.
Oh man, everything
it fell out. And I had this made this other day.
Okay. There's some heavy duty braces, man. Yeah. Wow, it helps.
All made with me and my dad.
Nice.
And the box was built by CMK Enclosures.
Okay.
And we just recently cut the sides out and redid the baffle ourselves.
Oh, so yeah, kind of shrunk it to where you
it was right here where this is, all the way back. This is where the baffle was, but it's way down here now.
Oh, I see. Okay. Salty Denali. I'm gonna go look at the back.
You gotta open the back. It's broke. Everything's breaking.
Everything breaking.
The door handle on the outside's broke off almost.
Really?
Look at it.
Do you know if these are strapped or game matched?
Game match.
Are they game matched?
Yeah.
Okay.
Game match.
I don't know if you tried the difference at all. Yeah. Looks good. You really optimized your space all the way back as much as you could. Looks good. Nice. Thanks. Yeah, man, I would love to hear that. This is crazy. All right. One no day. The salty Denali.
What's that on that beat? Oh,
I'm different, yeah, I'm different. I'm different, yeah, I'm different. I'm different, yeah, I'm different. Pull up to the scene with my ceiling missing. Pull up to the scene with my ceiling missing. I'm different, but my ceiling missing. Pull up to the scene with my ceiling missing. Middle finger up to my competition. I'm different. I'm different. Yeah, I'm different. Yeah, I'm different. Pull up to the scene with my ceiling missing. Pull up to the scene, but my roof gone. When I leave the scene, bet your boot gone. And I beat the pussy like a new song. 2 chainz, but I got me a few everything hot, still lukewarm. Tail shot and bust it up, but I'm lukewarm. Got a pressure for the president and a gift rapping. I don't feel good, but my trigger happy. But it's still happy. But I wish they had. And I wish a nigga would like a 50 cash. I feel so good, it's a bad hand. Pull up to the scene with my ceiling missing. Put a finger up to my I'm different. Pull up to the scene, but my roof gone. When I leave the scene, bet your boot gone. And I beat the pussy like a new song. 2 chainz, but I got me a few I'm different, but my ceiling missing. Pull up to the scene with my ceiling missing. Put a finger up to my I'm different. Your nigga pull like a chicken. Got your girl on the silly, and when I get up the silly, I made her read it.
Oh, it's not out my nose on the blowers, man. Wow. And I'm impressed at how much cabin containment you've done to stop it from moving, man. I appreciate the demo, man. Nice to meet you again. So your name? Chase, okay. Salty Denali.
You got over in the back.
Got it.
It's broke. Everything's breaking.